Hey guys, I'm Catherine Bennett, the Director of Social Media and Content at the Atlanta Outdoor Club. I'm here at Vickery Creek, checking out all the fall foliage. The Vickery Creek Trail is a beautiful place to visit year-round, and I'm really thankful to be able to hike here during peak leaf season. This park includes a gorgeous waterfall, scenic views of a creek, a covered pedestrian bridge, and historic mill ruins of the Roswell Manufacturing Company that's dating back to the 1800s. You'll also enjoy the wooded forest and possible deer sightings. In addition to all the beauty, what makes this park so popular is its close proximity to Atlanta. It's located just north of Atlanta in the city of Roswell. The Vickery Creek Trails are part of the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area, and you can access them from a variety of parking areas and entry points. I prefer to park at Old Mill Park, where there is free parking. This park is connected to the Vickery Creek Trail system thanks to this covered bridge built in the year 2005. What also makes this park so special is the varied trails it offers. It includes both rugged terrain, dirt trails, as well as some paved paths with some scenic overlooks. There's something for everyone to enjoy at this park. By the way, the Atlanta Outdoor Club hosts dozens of hikes here year-round. Be sure to check out our website at atlantooutdoorclub.com for more information.